Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to install WhatsApp as app on your PC. So you can install WhatsApp on your Windows PC in two easy ways. So method 1, so for Windows 10 and 11, open the Microsoft Store on your PC. So you can go to the start menu and open Microsoft Store. Now once opened, go ahead and search for WhatsApp in the search bar. So select the official WhatsApp desktop app. So here it should appear as install. So just click on that to install WhatsApp to your PC, and once installed, open the app after installation. So open WhatsApp on your device. So open WhatsApp on your phone. So if you're using iPhone, go to settings and go to link devices. If you're using Android, go ahead and click the three dots and click link devices. Then tap link a device. Then scan the QR code shown on your PC, and that's it. Your chats will sync automatically. Now for the method 2. So this works using browsers like Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. So let's open Google Chrome and let's open WhatsApp web. So let's search WhatsApp and click on this link right here. So once you are on the main page, what you can do is to click on download right here. So let's do that. You can also click on download at the bottom. Now, once done, click on this folder and double click WhatsApp installer to run it to your PC, and it will be installed right away. Next, another thing you can do is to click the three dots and scroll down to Cast, Save, and Share and tap Install Page as App. So you can rename WhatsApp, then click on Install right here, and it will be installed to your device. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.